think I may have found a way to fix anti-glare coatings. As you can see, I don't know if it's actually an anti-glare coating, but because there's no difference in between the halfway mark. But I don't know what I did to it, but I think what it was is I cleaned this with alcohol at one point, and it damaged it in some way, as you can see. So, the trick, you're not gonna believe it. Bum bum bum! Magic eraser. I'll probably want to add some water to it a little bit, not too much. Sorry about my feet in the picture. All right. So, as you can see, and this has always been here since I bought it. So my theory is why it fixes it is because this is called melamine foam. And melamine is basically super high grit sandpaper. So really, you're polishing what you messed up. And I know, water on a screen, you guys want to kill me, but whatever. I don't care. You can kill me all you want. Get mad at me later, because I'm going to fix this screen. Now, my dry rag, microfiber. Actually, I'll get a new one. Okay, dry rag. Remember, it was all the way over here. A little bit of elbow grease. Turn off this. Can't tell me that that's not working. I've never seen this TV this clean. Sorry guys, I'm not LTT and don't have high production quality. I wish I did. This would be an awesome video for them to make. Dry the bottom first so you don't let water seep down in there. Which it's going to be a little bit probably, but not much. Not enough to affect it. Not on my TV anyways. Wow, that's crazy. Now, that's insane. She works, boys. She's still working.